Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone, my sweetheart friend and subscriber. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Imo, and other online, Twitter. Today I going to the restaurant. This is my job company restaurant, Albaik Fruit Company. Morning time I take to my order system of company. I going to here and my two best friend, Abul Qasim and Rabiul Islam. He is my best friend. Alhamdulillah. See video. Jazakallah khair.